Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Grok AI. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Grok is currently available to X Premium and Premium Plus subscribers on iOS, Android and web in some countries. To access Grok, you need to follow these steps. First, visit x.com or open the X app on your iOS or Android device and sign up for a premium subscription. Access Grok by selecting the Grok icon in the navigation bar in the X app or website. After subscribing, the next step is to visit Grok AI's official portal and authenticate yourself using X credentials. This process ensures that it remains accessible exclusively to verified and authorized users. Upon trying to access Grok AI, you might receive a notification stating, "Thank you for your interest in our early access program. Early access is currently not available in your location. Please leave your email address below if you would like to get notified when you have been given access." This message indicates that while you have taken the necessary steps for access, this early access may not yet be available in your specific geographical location. For users in regions where early access is available, once verified and granted access, you will encounter its user-friendly interface. This interface is initiative catering to users with diverse technical backgrounds. Here, you can begin your interaction with its easy-to-use interface, exploring its conversational capabilities and features. One of the most notable features of Grok AI is its integration with X's real-time data streams. This allows the conversational AI to provide users with immediate, current insights and information. Another defining characteristic of Grok AI is its sense of humor and the personality in its interactions. This features adds a level of engagement and reliability that is often missing in traditional AI models. Users can enjoy a more relaxed and entertaining experience, making conversations with Grok AI not just informative but also enjoyable. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Grok AI. Well, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.